In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your MyMind data to your computer. If you've been organizing thoughts, links, images, or notes in MyMind and want a secure copy on your device, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish. We'll sign in, head to your account settings, start the export, and choose exactly where the files should go on your computer. I'll also share a few tips to make the process smooth and stress-free. Let's begin by opening your browser and going to access.mymind.com. Sign in to your MyMind account just like you normally do. It helps to use a browser you trust and, if possible, a stable internet connection, especially if your library is large. Once you're in, you're essentially on your account hub where you can manage preferences and data. From here, look for the small cog icon, the familiar settings symbol, tucked in the left corner of your MyMind interface. Click that to open your settings and account area. This section is where MyMind keeps tools for managing your data, so it's the right place for exporting everything safely. Inside your account area, look for the option labeled Export MyMind. It's typically positioned near the bottom right of the page. Click it to initiate the export process. Think of this like asking MyMind to package up your content so you can take it with you. Depending on how much you've saved, it can take a bit of time, so patience here really helps. You'll now be guided by on-screen instructions to choose where the exported data should be saved on your computer. When your file browser opens, select a local folder that you can easily find later, such as your Documents or Downloads folder, or a dedicated backup folder you've prepared. Confirm your selection and the export will begin downloading. Keep the browser window open until the download is complete, and avoid putting your computer to sleep during this moment, especially if the export is large. Once the download finishes, your files will be saved in the folder you chose. Make a note of that location so you can return to it later. If your browser shows a completion banner or a Show in Folder option, that can be a quick way to jump right to it. Remember, this export is your personal data, so keep it in a secure place and consider backing it up to a trusted external drive if that fits your workflow. That's it. You've signed in, opened settings, started the export, and saved your data exactly where you want it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy having your MyMind safely backed up on your computer.